The design of FBL House began with a pre-existing structure, a single-story house from the 1940s, initially planned for demolition due to its state of conservation. During the first visit to the site, the charm of the existing house captivated both the architects and the future resident, leading to a change of plans. It should be partially preserved. Inside the walls, there is a feeling that time has stood still. The unpretentious yet cozy spaces open onto a small garden, surrounded by the large tree canopies lining the sidewalks. Hidden along one side of the house is a lap pool, which was added more recently. The house is located on a corner lot in a tree-lined residential area of São Paulo, Brazil. The construction of the new residence retained part of the original house while adapting to the residents' needs. To achieve this, a longitudinal axis divides the preserved section of the old house from the new addition, a concrete corridor that simultaneously separates and integrates the two wings of the home. On the ground floor of the fully restored original house are the TV room with a fireplace, the library, and the main kitchen. At the end of the concrete axis lies the annex, which houses the service area. This same block also includes the pool lounge and a guest bedroom, completing the home's functional program. The new wing was built with a metal structure and extends across 3 floors, plus an observation deck, ensuring spacious, interconnected areas with ample natural light, cross-ventilation, and framed views of the surrounding trees. In this new section, the living, dining, and secondary kitchen areas face the pool, which now takes center stage. The living room and pool are connected by a small tiered seating area. The first floor houses the primary suite, while the mezzanine accommodates a home office. The two wings contrast, yet complement each other. The original single-story house features white tones, brick textures, rough-cast walls, and the warmth of wood in the floors and beams, creating inviting spaces with framed garden views. Meanwhile, the new wing, built with a metal structure, features cool flooring and metallic cladding dominated by black tones. Its spacious, open-plan layout seamlessly interacts with the outdoors through expansive glass panels. On the rooftop, the space is divided into a pantry, a hot tub, a guest bedroom overlooking a massive Cibiperuna tree, as well as a vegetable garden and a solarium, offering a peaceful retreat and a strong connection to nature. Above the guest room, the observation deck stands out, providing privileged views of the surroundings. FBL House strikes a balance between preserving the home's memory and offering comfort and modernity, creating a space that respects the past while adapting to contemporary needs and lifestyles.